Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use substitute function in Excel to replace or to add a certain data in your existing data set. So let's get into the video. Here I have the product description and I have the company name of each product. And let's say this is my company names. I have the list of company names, and in this case I have the fresh form. And in my fresh form I need to add space in between fresh and form. So in order to do that, you can just use substitute function. In substitute function, first we need to provide the original data in which I need the change to be done, followed by I need to give the old text, that is the actual text in which I need to change certain things. So in this case my old text is fresh form. Okay, so I need to change the fresh form into fresh space form. Okay, so this is going to be my new text. So wherever the fresh form is present in your data set, on all the cases the Excel function works. Okay, so let's have some other example here. Say for example, instead of space, you need to include hyphen. So here is it. This is how you can quickly replace wherever you want to make changes in your data set. I'll show you another data set, and so this is my another data set. Here I have the list of authors. In each row I have different authors, and each author is separated by semicolons, and follow and before a semicolon I also have the full stop. So say for example, I need to add, instead of a semicolon, I need to add and in between each author. So we can simply use substitute function. I need to first select my data followed by my old text. So in this case, my old text is I want to replace and in place of semicolon. So in my case, semicolon will be old text. So I'll place it in inverted quotes, followed by I'll use and. So here you can see wherever the semicolon is present, it has been replaced by and. Let's say I need to also remove the full stop. Let me include the full stop followed by semicolon. The both should be replaced by and. So again, here you can see there was no space in between the initial and the and function. So I'll just add one space. So now you can see the entire in my entire data set, wherever the full stop followed by semicolon is present, it has been replaced by and. So in the second row you can observe, so in the second author there was no semicolon, so it were not changed. So wherever the condition applies, the data sets will be changed. Okay, so I think this substitute function will be useful in many scenarios and many research purposes. With this, I like to conclude my video. Thank you.